Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the For Mums Rockaroo Automatic Baby Rocker. This rocker is perfect for putting your baby to sleep all the way up till they reach a maximum weight of 7 kilograms, as that's the limit for this rocker. My daughter is now 10 kilograms, so she's only here as a prop for demonstration purposes. This rocker is made from durable plastic and measures in at 29.6 inches in length by 16.5 inches in width, 27.5 inches in height, and weighs 5.2 kilograms. It's powered by a 12-volt mains adapter, has 5 speed settings, and an output jack for MP3 connectivity. The original auxiliary cable is very short, so I ended up adding my own. Also, the speaker quality I find to be average at best. Mobile toys are washable and easily removed. The mobile as a whole is also easily removed with a half twist. The main unit can also be pulled apart for easy cleanup. The seat cover and safety belt are made from nylon mesh fabric, which is cooling, breathable, and machine washable. The seat cover is easily removed by undoing the end clips and unzipping both zips. This rocker is not cheap, but there are second-hand ones out there that I'm sure would be just as good. I'll leave some links to where you can find this model, new models, and read other customer reviews. I think this rocker is a great investment, which is more of a luxury than a necessity. Remember, when baby gets rocked to sleep, they expect that they will always get rocked to sleep. If you like this review, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future reviews and how-to videos, that'd be much appreciated. Until next time, thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy parenting.